Given Bhaiya, given.
Now,
Okay. Yes, Vasudha madam, I made you the host.
Okay. Thank you.
Vijay, you can speak. Vijay, yeah.
What I should speak about what?
Why you want to join level 1, Gita Parivar?
No, I'm interested in Gita. I have learned it. Learned it, I will not say. I have read it so many times. I recite. I am a member of Chinmaya Mission. So I
Okay.
would like to improve my reading as well as understanding. So this being a platform, I just would like to come for so that the concepts will be more clear. And Gita Parivar is doing a very good job. I have heard about it. So even my daughters are doing that. So I would like to join that. So
great, Vijay Didi.
I have registered for that.
So you will be joining on 16th of August.
Yeah. Correct.
We welcome you to Gita Parivar Didi.
Thank you. It's my pleasure as well as my blessing because I am getting a chance to read Gita once again. No Gita once again.
Great.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Yes, Mangesh Bhaiya, we want to hear from you.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
I was not well for last.
Yes, are you well now?
Now better. Actually, I had
Okay.
problem of cough. So
Okay.
that was the issue. Now better. And about me, actually, I stay in Pune and I do work in Tetra Pak. Actually, I'm an engineer in printing and packaging. And actually, my traveling is like 12 hours per day. So by the time I reach home, it's like 6:30, and then at 7 I have to again log in. So sometimes it becomes a bit difficult. And how I came to learn Gita is like when I was a kid, my grandfather used to read Gita. And I was so small that I used not understand, but he used to show me the pictures in the Gita, the book. And then he used to tell the stories. With time he passed away, then now my mother, she reads Gita. So I used to ask her that what is the meaning of this you're reading? So then she asked me to go on this website, log in, and try to learn by yourself so that you'll understand it more better. So that was how I came to learn Gita. And I also registered for level 2 now and also for the coordinator. So hopefully
Wow,
I'll be
great.
continuing the same path in future. And I would
So
also like
nice,
to
Mangesh Bhaiya.
thank all the teachers and the coordinators. Actually, it was really good. And actually we started feeling as a family, you know, every time we come together and read Gita. So that was a bonding which we had. So hopefully I'll be missing the family now, but we'll meet more members.
Somewhere or the other, we will be meeting you. You will be doing the seva of group coordinator. So we will be meeting again and again. Don't worry about that.
Yeah. Sure.
And then if we are in the same batch, correct? So we can meet
Yeah.
again. Yes, if
Yes.
we get the same batch. Okay. Nice
Thank
to
you
see
all.
you. Get well soon now and don't fall sick again.
Yes.
Bhagwan
Jai
will
Shri
be with you. And you, where do you stay in Pune, by the way?
Pune University near Boston Nagar.
Wow, even I stay in Pune, Baner.
Okay, that's close by, very close.
Yes, very close by. That's what. Just maybe 5 kilometers
Yeah.
from my house. Yeah.
पुणेकर जास्ती दिसतात हा पुण्यामध्ये
हो, पुणेकर. पुणे तिथे काय उणे असं आहेच नाही तरी त्याच्यामुळे पुणे सगळीकडेच गाजत असतो.
माझा जन्म मुंबईत झाला आणि मोठेपणा गिरगावात झाला लहानपणी. मला मराठी चांगली येते.
हो, मग गिरगाव म्हणजे काय? पुणे सगळं मराठी बोलणारेच लोक गिरगाव.
जन्म तिकडे झाला. माझा जन्म तिकडे झाला. तिकडेच मोठा झाला.
Good. So lot of Maharashtrian people, I should say.
Yeah.
Maharashtrian means those who stay in Maharashtra. Okay. Yes. Anyone else wants to speak?
मी vote of thanks देऊ का
मॅम?
हो, मी बोलू नये आज मी नाही बोलायचंय. बालाराम दादा.
हा, vote of thanks तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना
नहीं नहीं मी बोलू नको आज. You don't want to listen to me today, correct? As a batch coordinator, I am going to speak, not as a trainer. Okay. Okay. As a batch coordinator, I was a batch coordinator for your batch. So I would just like to congratulate you all for completing L1 and registering for L2. Okay, you must all have registered for L2 by now, I think so. So if you have any problems, you can always call on us. Okay. In this first level, we learned 12th chapter and the 15th chapter. 12th chapter was a Bhakti Yoga. So in Bhakti Yoga, Bhagwan is telling about the qualities of devotee. And I think we all are the devotees already, because he has given us Gita in our hand. So we already are dear ones to him. But still, you can see the qualities what he has told in the 12th chapter, and try to inculcate more of them and become near and dear to him. The 15th chapter is the Purushottam Yoga, which can be recited anywhere, anytime, and in any condition. So if you say Gita, Bhagavad Gita is a mandir, a temple, then the vigraha of the temple is the 15th adhyay. So that is very important adhyay. So keep reciting that adhyay, and it brings immense peace when you recite that. Closing your eyes, if you recite this 15th chapter, you really feel that the Bhagavanta is holding our finger and taking us through this life. You always feel that. So that was 12th and 15th. Any work you start, you should have bhakti and shraddha towards that work. Then that work becomes successful. So this Gita Parivar also has started this learning of Gita with 12th chapter, that is the Bhakti Yoga. So now we have bhakti and shraddha in our hand, and we can really complete our 18 chapters successfully. As Sonali Didi and our Chaitra Didi has told us, you can do any seva, whatever you like in this Gita Parivar. Please come forward, like Mangesh Bhaiya is doing GC now. So please come forward and do any whatever seva you like. As a trainer, so you cannot do it now. When you complete your L2, you can be a trainer. But yes, technical assistant, if you like that work, you can do that. And if you know how to operate a phone and or a laptop properly, then you can always take up that seva. We have seva as group coordinator. That seva also, that is a man management sort of, and the coordination between the participants, the trainer take, and the Gita Parivar itself. Okay, so that is the group coordinator. And then we have other sevas like translation is there. We have this Artha Vivechan Satra on Saturday and Sunday. So that translation, the Artha Vivechan are written in English or in Hindi. So you can translate them in other languages like Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, whatever language you know. So that seva also you can take up. Then we have seva of creative writing, then making banners and posters for this different functions which we have in Gita Parivar and also Artha Vivechan Satras. There are many other sevas also available. Whatever sevas you like, you can take up. These all are, means they remain behind the curtain and do their work. Even adding seva, the smallest, small but still very big seva it is, adding participants to the groups, that seva is also available. Then sharing the audios, videos and other messages to the groups, that seva is also available. Whichever seva you like, you can do that. So this was about what batch coordinator has to say to everyone. Okay, and now congratulations from me as a trainer to all of you. To you have completed your L1. Some of you have sent your videos on the group, and I have checked them and forwarded them to Chaitra Didi. She will be sending the results and certificates soon. Balaram Bhaiya, your certificate is pending, but soon, within 2-3 days, you will get your certificate. Don't worry about that. Okay, we are in the process to add you to this group. Okay. Because you had registered means after 28th of June, so your name has gone in the August batch. But now we will be doing that and making it in this only, so that it will not hurdle your process of completing L2. Okay. My best wishes to all of you for L2, and we will keep meeting. Even if you have any problems in L2 also, you can always contact me, Vasudha Didi and Chaitra Didi. Thank you all. Yes, anyone else wants to speak?
Yeah, I will
Sharvi
speak, madam.
Didi.
I will speak.
Sant Bhaiya has also logged in.
Yes, Didi.
Sant Bhaiya.
Sant Bhaiya. No response, Didi.
Okay. Anyone wants to speak? Naito, we will hand over this dais to Balaram Bhaiya.
Didi, can I say a few words? Like,
Yes, Mahima Didi, please.
When I was young, like 4 or 5 something, so I started from there, the Chinmay mission, which used to be held in Mumbai. So yeah, I used to participate in that. During the school days, and school used to teach us like the shlokas and all. But after my 10th, I lost the connection. And then just the previous year, November, December, there was a competition again, but it was online. So I came to know about all these things, and then I participated. I won a prize as well. And then I
Wow,
came to know about,
congratulations.
so my mom, she is in further level, like level 2 or 3 something. So after her, then I also continued the same. Like,
Good, great.
and now, yeah, I'm enjoying.
Yes.
Thank you, and that's it.
But congratulations for the trophy, Mahima Didi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Sant Bhaiya.
We would have liked to hear from him. But network, maybe he has a network problem or something.
Maybe, Didi.
Okay. Should we end our celebration then?
Yes, Didi. I think so.
Yeah. Lots of
Balaram,
wishes from me.
Shall I speak, madam?
Yes.
Shall I
Yeah,
speak?
yeah.
On
Yes.
behalf of
Balaram.
you?
Yes. Yes, Balaram Bhaiya.
It was a very wonderful session. Pravati madam has taken a lot of efforts in reciting. I have seen the in-depth of her enthusiasm to train the youngsters, especially the youngsters, how they recited and all. Very seniors like Pradeep Vidalya and all, they are well trained and well expert in all that. I really congratulate Pradeep for excellent performance of his in-depth knowledge of that. And madam also has taken a lot of efforts. 1 or 2 times about first charan, second charan, follow, wherever you decide again, decide along with me. Really a wonderful, such a hard work. And the crowd being only 13 to 14 people, we could get the opportunity to recite for 3 times each slokas. So whatever the slokas are taken, we could recite it today. I'll end up with the Guru Sotrams, madam.
Yes, yes.
You can
Praditi Didi, Sant Bhaiya has unmuted himself.
Just a minute.
So if he,
Balaram Bhaiya.
yeah. Sant Bhaiya has unmuted himself. So if he is really interested in saying something, we would like to hear.
Yeah.
Sant Bhaiya, we would like to hear from you. You have been there in our batch for all 20 days. We would like to hear from you.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Didi, I feel very happy, and but I cannot speak anything. But I am feeling many happier by being a member of Gita Parivar. Hello.
Yes, yes, we can hear you, Bhaiya.
I'm feeling very happy. Hello.
Yes, even we are feeling very happy to hear you, Bhaiya.
Yes, I'm feeling very happy to be involved with your Gita Parivar. But I am not prepared to speak. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, Bhaiya, please continue.
I will not prepare anything to speak or perform. So I am very sorry, madam.
No, no problem, Bhaiya. We are a part of family, so no problem.
Yes, madam.
Yes, Balaram Bhaiya.
Yeah,
Thank you, Sant Bhaiya. Yes, Balaram Bhaiya.
We end up with the Guru Stotra, which I learned from Chinmay Mission also. I'm a member of Chinmay Mission still for the last 15 years. The very purpose of joining Gita Parivar was to fluency in the slokas which has been not accepted by them because my slokas were not fluent. And Guruji, Swami Chinmayanand, was taken Samadhi. So he would not like it reciting in a very wrong. That's why I'm forced to come to Gita Parivar and learn the fluency of the slokas. 100%. This Sunday we are having satsang in every Sunday we are having satsang of a small group. Okay. I recited the Guru Stotram with all blessings to Lord Krishna. Shower the blessings on the successful of our level 2 also and further ahead on the travel of journey to level 4 also. Akhanda mandala akaram vyaptam yena characharam tatpadam darshidam yena tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Ajnanatimarandasya jnana ena sarakaya chakshurum milidam ena tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Gurudeva Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Stavaram Jangam Vyaktam Yatkinchit Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Chidmayam Vapyat Sarvam Trailokyam Chataracharam Tatpadam Darshidam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Sarvashruti Shiroratna Virajita Padambujaha Vedantam Bujasudyoya Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Chaitanya Shashwado Shanto Vyomatito Niranjanaha Bindunada Kalatita Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Jnana Sakti Samarudha Tattvamala Vibhushidaha Mukti Mukti Pradadacha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Aneka Janma Samprapta Karma Bandha Vidahini Atmadhyana Pradadena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shoshanam Bhava Sindhusya Jnapanam Sara Sampadaha Gurupadodagam Samyaga Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Na Gurudodadikam Tattvam Na Gurudodadikam Tapaha Tattvajnana Param Nasti Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Mannata Sri Jagannatha Matguru Sri Jagadguru Madatma Sarvabhutana Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Radiram Natvat Guru Param Devadam Guru Parataram Nasti Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Tameva Mata cha Pita Tameva Tameva Bandhu cha Saka Tameva Tameva Vidya Dravinam Tameva Tameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Tameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Hari Om. That's it. Thank you for allowing me this. recite this. Be sure.
We will recite our prayer also.
Yeah.
योगेशं सचिदानन्दं वासुदेवं व्रजप्रियं धर्मसंस्थापकं वीरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् ॐ श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु। Thank you all and lots of wishes for L2. Vasudha Didi.
Yes, Didi. Thank you everyone for
See,
participating.
we are only 19 or 20 participants, but still we took 3 meetings, you know, for this.
Yeah.
So that's the bonding we
Everyone
have
got the-
created, all of us together.
everyone got the chance to perform, recite, or whatever they felt like they're sharing the experience. So there were, I think so, there was no one left who wanted and we couldn't give the chance.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So
Thank you everyone.
we
for
have our
participating.
group still. So
And please, I would request each and everyone who is here present right now, continue reading and reciting Srimad Bhagavad Gita with, yes, Didi?
nahi, continue, Didi. Chalo, we
Okay.
are on the group, all of us. So keep sharing your videos, okay, who haven't shared your videos of 15th chapter. And if you want to share your 12th chapter video, I will check them also. Don't worry about that, okay?
And this one is the most easiest thing, and you will get the certificate of Gita Gunjan.
Yes.
Later, whether you want to learn or not, that's up to your choice. But please continue with the same zest and zeal the way you were in L1.
Best wishes.
Okay. Best of luck to everyone. Lord Krishna bless us all. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri
everyone.
Krishna, everyone. Jai Shri Krishna.
What will be there for the level 2, madam? Everything will be there for level
Let us see. Let us see.
7:30 batch. 7:30 batch.
7:30 batch.
I also did 7:30 only. So
Yeah.
Okay, so you at least all will be meeting maybe if you get a same batch. I don't know which batch I will get because that is the last moment we come to know. After the inauguration, we come to know what batch we have got. So I can't say anything. Okay.
every change.
But still you have my phone numbers. So no problem. You can call me anytime. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. See you all.
And any help regarding Gita, learning Gita, this Bhagavad Gita, I'm always there for you 24/7. Thank you,
Yes.
Didi. Thank you for giving your precious time. And in fact, Didi, behind the camera, I was listening to the shlokas which you were reciting, and I was learning at the same time. Thank you, Didi. Thank you very
So
much.
nice.
Yes.
Om Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Everything. Everything, because he is the doer and he is the entertainer, he is the entertaining. Whatever he is doing, it is for him and he is doing it. We are just, what to say, a medium of doing everything. We are just a
Yes.
medium.
Yeah.
Okay. See you all soon.
Yeah.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Sure. Yes, yes.